how to delete the folder which is unable to delete you. Even though you are an administrator, you are unable to delete that folder. I'm going to show you how to delete it. I have one folder here, Windows app. When I click on it to open, it says that you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue to permanently get access to this folder. And I can say that I don't have permissions. Let's go and change the permissions so that you can able to delete the Windows app. So open your notepad, and here you write some kind of script so that helps you to change the permissions. So to take control over the folder that cannot be deleted, create a text file called delete.bat and add the following lines of code. Copy the code. Don't worry, I will leave this code in the YouTube descriptions. Okay, I have copied my code. Now you need to change the directory of your folder. My directory is the D drive, and the folder name is Windows App. After you change your directory names and save it as delete.bat. Save it as delete.bat and press save. Now go and have a look. Your delete.bat is saved. Right click on your delete.bat and run as administrator. It will open the Windows command processor. Say yes. Now your Windows command processor is open, and you can see that the directory names. Sorry, my directory name is Windows App, so it didn't find the directory. Again, save. Go to delete.bat. Run as administrator. Say yes. And now have a look. Now the file Windows App now owned by this user. So I'm able to delete this one. Close this one and go to the Windows.app and perform delete. And now you can see that I want to move this folder to the recycle bin. Yes. Now you can see that the folder is gone and I'm successfully able to delete the folder. This is how you delete the folder if you don't have the permissions. First, you need to change the permissions and delete it. Thank you for watching my video.